Emma, what makes you happy?
Sunny days and full moon and cherry blossoms and
Whiskers and kittens.
yes.
Gülten, what makes you happy?
What makes me happy? Anything. Any simple thing can make me happy. Just, you know, if it's from someone, it could be from the bottom of the heart. And it will make me happy, for sure.
And coming home after a long, busy day and standing on the balcony at night.
Martin, what makes you happy?
What makes me happy? I don't know. I guess when I accomplish all my goals, when I set goals and when I accomplish them, that makes me happy. That moment when they are accomplished.
And walks in the forest and good conversations and cooking good food.
Just a flower from the ground, you just pick up and give it to me, I would be the happiest. But when I think of the things, for example, I live now, I'm here in this camp, I'm sitting on this hammock and relaxing. Yeah, that makes me happy because I know that I have a life to do something, to be thankful and to do anything for making people happy, and that could be one of the things that would make me the happiest.
Working in the garden with my grandma or my mom. A lot of things. What else?
No, Andrej, o čem je smisel življenja?
Jablane i hruške. I cigarete.
Okay.
What makes you happy?
Food. A lot of food and chocolate and hugs. Yes.
What makes you happy?
Food makes me happy and hugs make me happy. And yes, and chocolate makes me happy and music makes me happy.
Playing with small children, smell of the rain, wavy ocean, crickets.
Nermin, what makes you happy?
Smiling children make me happy.
Smiling?
Children.
Sabina, what makes you happy?
Coca-Cola. Travelings. Nature.
Lahko mi poveš, what makes you happy?
Sabina. Traveling. Nature.
Writing a very good poem, reading a very good book. What else? A lot of things. I don't know.
What makes me happy? Eating, hiking, scouting, Sleeping, of course. This kind of thing. You like my beard? No? I have to shave, I don't know.
Petra, what makes you happy?
Chocolate. Comfy beds, hot showers, interesting people, empty buses. Lovely houses.
Hey Chert, what makes you happy?
What makes you happy?
What makes me happy?
Of you?
When Simona's not bothering me with this kind of questions.
Waking up rested. Buying yourself really nice clothes and hanging out with the family, cleaning your room, you know, when your room is really messy and then you clean it up and it's so nice. That makes me happy.
Nurlan, may I ask you, what makes you happy?
What makes me happy? The nature. Hey! Nurlan, hey!
Hey, I'm asking him a question.
Oh, sorry.
What makes you happy?
Good photographs, which I took, music, and good books, maybe, and little things, little happiness in my life.
Okay, what makes you happy?
What makes me happy? What makes me happy? Let's see. It makes me happy when our needs are satisfied. I mean that, you know, we have what we need, and also that people around me have what they need. That makes me happy. So helping people but not feeling exploited, that also makes me happy. Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
And you know what also makes me happy? Nature. Nature that is not spoiled.
Leman, once again, what makes you happy?
Actually, everything can make me happy. I'm a person like can be happy every little things. Oh, I'm sorry. This not. No.
Walking up the stairs. If there's a lot of stairs, and you walk up the stairs, and you feel like you've achieved something. That's a great feeling. What else?
Yeah.
Of course, doing cartwheels, doing gymnastics, teaching gymnastics, seeing when people learn something from you.
It's okay, it's not mine, it's for us.
Laughing.
It's okay. There is some more stuff, you know. We can
I think we will have to do this again.
My loves, my friends, my family, with my dreams also. There are different things that can make us happy. That it depends us, I think.
Turana?
It's an unexpected question for me right now, because actually I don't think about such kind of cases, because I think happiness is not forever. It is a second, it is a moment, and you can feel this. Maybe, for example, you are here and you are happy. That you must realize that. And I can remember one saying that you cannot You must not try to find happiness in the sky. Maybe happiness is next to you. Just you must try to find it out, to discover this. Something like.
What makes you happy?
Life.